Now in this video, I'll show you exactly how we enter on the range bars step by step. So on this trade, where we would have entered is right here on the close of the range bar, right there. And then as you can see, stop loss would have been right here at the bottom of the range bar, and it shot up. So this trade's done, profit, done. But I'll show you one live when it reverses for the next range bar entry. Let's go to another chart like gold. Here we go. We'll change the two size range bar. Here we go. Here's a buy trade on gold right there. I'm going to place a pending order right there. Buy. Right there. Gold. Now let's wait for it to fill. Oh, gold market is not open yet. Oh, gold market is not open yet. It's the weekend, so we're just trading cryptos. Here we go. Ethereum right here. Sell. Sell right there. Ethereum. There we go. See, it closed right there. We place a pending order, and now we're just waiting for this to fill. And that's our sell trade. We're actually at a better price, so I'll just enter the trade right now. There we go. We're in the sell trade on Ethereum. See, there was our entry price. Drag stop loss right there. And our take profit is going to be right down here at 10 points. So there we go. We're in this trade, done. And now, for scaling purposes, I would enter another one right here that I'll let run after this one's hit. And that's only possible because we have a large enough balance to handle multiple trades inside of our trade risk. So instead of risking that whole 1% in that one trade, we diversified our risk to split it into two orders. Meaning that on this trade, it'll be plus 100. And on the other trade, it could be even higher. It could be plus 150, plus 200, wherever we choose to exit, depending on the market being trending. And that's it. That's how simple it is to enter a trade. Once this reverses to green, this will be a buy trade. How do we determine the direction of the trend? Simple. We look at the daily candle. Change it to 1 day. Today's buying. So I should be on a buy trade because it's buy bias today. Buys are filling. So once this closes green, we'll enter that buy trade separately. Let's go back to Bitcoin and see where it's at right now. That was a perfect buy trade. Bitcoin's also on buying. And that's it. That's how simple it is to enter a trade. Let's just look at a few past examples so that way you can see exactly where we would have entered with no bias. Look, let's just start here. So there we go, right there, pending buy there. See, there's the trade. Stop loss down here at the bottom of the wick, target 100 points. Here's the next trade, first bar. There you go, pending right there. Here's the next trade, stop loss. Next trade, stop loss. Next trade, pending buy. So very simply, we're placing the order on the first reversal bar at the close of the bar with the stop loss at the bottom of the wick, and the target is exactly the distance of this bar. This bar is 20 bricks. This take profit will be 40 because it's 20 for the brick, 40 for the bar, and it's 40 in that direction. If we change this to 50, now each bar is 100 points. So we place it right here. Look at this. This was a perfect buy trade. If we got in on this trade right here, right there, done. It already moved 100 points. The entry right here was, the close is at 64717. This is up at 64, yeah, done. 6483. It's already done. So take profit was right around here and our market shot up. That's it, done. We got the 100 points. And this is what we do on the lives every day. This is the discipline. While you're busy complicating things because you don't know what you're doing and then your life disappears, we're profitable every day following a very simple, strict strategy with risk parameters and everything quantified because we've tested all the market data. With the range bars, every market looks exactly the same. And that's how we can run a diversified portfolio. Once you remove the name of the market, they're all the same. It's just range moves. And that's how you run a business because businesses don't have bias. All market products work if you have the right charting and liquidity to use them. So hopefully this video has been helpful. Start practicing and building a track record on AlgoBars. If you ever need help, you can always contact our support team. We're available 24/7. Have a great day and good luck.